cut it French fry shape. Let's cut the French fries down. It's easy. After cutting, take some water